And we are in front of the new Malibu Premium Relax, and it's called the Malibu Relax. It's based on the Malibu Relax 640 LAR Fiat Ducato chassis, and these are the specs with the final price of 80,057 euros. And I will be entering inside and check all the specs. Firstly, we have a pretty wide opening from this part, and until we wait for the person to check this new Malibu, we can check from the back that we have a pretty longitudinal bed with the mattress size of 1.851 from this side, and on the frame window we are looking about 1.856, but on this approximate size is 1.973, so pretty wide longitudinal bed. And the garage space is about 1.175, the widest part 0.938, and to the frame of the bed we are looking at 0.79. And well, I will be entering, so at the moment I will be entering inside to show you the actual bedding that actually says 2.2 90 87 2, with 3 big pocket cabinets all around, and the actual bedding situation is pretty thick. We have this pretty deep sink with 3 cabinets and a pretty reasonable looking bathroom. There is no slide out, but you have a slide out door, so it's pretty great. And that for cassette toilet. And then in the front part, the sitting area is pretty wide with additional storage pocket units. The Fiat Ducato standard chassis, and the actual Thetford Dometic fridge is located here with a pretty great design overall. And this is the Fiat Ducato Malibu Relax Edition.